Hello, this is Sonja from A Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I'm going to do a Ella Roetz printable, and I'm going to use her art journal, which is available for South African and I think Namibian customers of hers. And I'm going to do this printable, which is available for everyone. You can go to her Etsy shop or to her website and download it. And this is a fun printable, and I'm just choosing this page because I'm going to make a tag. She always gives you a suggestion how you can make it. I'll show you in a minute. It's there sort of on the right hand side. So I'm going to make a tag and I can put it in that pocket. So I'm just using cardstock because I didn't know what I wanted to do in the beginning. So I printed the pattern paper, which is with this printable, on normal copy paper, which is very flimsy. So I just use some cardstock, whatever, to put it on and just to make a tag. So I'm just round my corners, and now I'm just going to see how that looks. Obviously, I just want to see if it fits. Yeah, it fits perfectly. I wanted to make it nice and big so it can cover most of the white background. And I'm just putting a ring enforcer here. I've got this sort of colorful ones, and I don't often use the yellow ones. So I thought that is now perfect to use the yellow ones. So now I'm going to cut these cute little photos out, the Polaroid photos, and the verse I chose was Matthew 28 verse 20, which Jesus says that you will always be with us till the end of this earth. And that's a beautiful last promise that he gave us before he left. And what a fantastic last promise he gave us. He could have not given us anything better to say that he's going to be with us. And we know that he's obviously in us through the Holy Spirit. God is with us. Emmanuel is in us with the Holy Spirit. So we always have God with us, and we are never alone. Even if we are the only person here on earth left, we have Jesus who lives in us, with us. So that's such a comforting promise, and I'm glad that he gave that one to us. So now I'm just coloring or decorating the pocket. I've just used some scrap paper, and now I'm inspired by that art marks. If you obviously have clear sticker paper, I think it would be very good to print it on there, and then you can just use it. But I just thought I'm just going to copy it. I'm not going to cut all those small little ones out. So I was inspired by it, and that's the whole thing about these printables. You just do what inspires you. You can copy her, what she has, or you can just do your own thing. So I do always a little bit of both. Then I decided to put the verse down there, but it was also on the printable, but it covered some of my art marks up. So I'm just adding some more art marks. And this was also an art mark part of the printable, so I decided to use that as a background like she also did. So I'm just putting the yellow little Polaroid in the middle because it makes sense to put the bright one in the middle and the other two on either sides. So I'm just spreading it over the tag, and now I just thought I'm going to use some washi tape just to stick it on there. I'm always thinking when I see Polaroids, I always think of some washi tape on maybe a corkboard or something like that, something as a reminder. So I'm just using this green washi tape. It's almost like this palm trees on it, but you can almost use it at any place. I've been using it quite a lot, so I'm loving this one at the moment. So I'm just putting it on top of the Polaroid, and then I'm going to put it next to it. I've just cut it in half because it was a bit thick. I've actually came to realize that I actually prefer smaller and thinner washi tape. I almost use it more than the thicker ones. But yeah, in South Africa, you don't get such a variety of washi tape. So now I'm using this Tim Holtz small little stencils, which a friend from America sent me. And it also have these scallop pieces, which reminded me of the art marks, which is part of the printable. So I'm just creating a background. It's a bit blobsy because, I don't know, it's obviously you need to press very evenly, and the angle is not very good. It's difficult to get the stencil in all the corners, but at least I covered up the white and it just speaks out from the tag. And when you take out the tag, you don't see the white piece so much. So this is my entry. I love working in this junk journal. I will leave all the details down below. A shop and printables. So if you want to pick up some printables this month, it's nice and bright and colors. Ella always design beautiful printables, and I'm thankful for her. So thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would love to have you a part of this family. And yeah, have a great day and I'll speak to you soon. God bless. Bye bye.